Hello my fellow Lacomians, it's Mayor Grant Creasey. It is May 11th. I've got a little update here for you. First off, I want to thank each and every one of you for your overwhelming positive response to the COVID pandemic. It is through your diligence of the public health orders and recommendations set forward that we are now gaining an upper hand in preventing the spread. Your cooperation and commitment to following physical distancing and hygiene measures have led us to a welcome period of stability in this pandemic. Here in Lacombe, I'm pleased to say that it's been nearly 6 weeks since we've had a case within our borders. Certainly we're all thankful for that. But let's not forget that our infection status could change, and change far too quickly, more so than anyone would like. Proper health protocols are just as important now as they ever were. As we restart our world, it's imperative that we're able to quickly trace positive cases and contain the spread further. This is precisely why I want to encourage everyone with a mobile device, such as this, to download the free contact tracing app available right now. It's called AB Trace Together. It's free and it's available in your app store and on the Government of Alberta website. This app helps to let you know if you've been exposed to COVID-19 or if you've accidentally exposed others, all while still protecting your privacy. Be responsible, download it now, it's the right thing to do. As I'm sure you're aware, the province has developed a relaunch strategy. Set to begin as early as this week, it puts safety first while gradually reopening businesses, resuming activities, and getting people back to work. In Lacombe, groups like the Echo Lacombe Association have their own strategies. And they've launched the Lacombe Economic Action Partnership, or LEAP as it's referred to help mitigate the economic impact to Lacombe's businesses from the COVID-19 pandemic and aid with recovery. LEAP consists of local government representatives, business leaders, and other community stakeholders who are working to establish a network of supports, programs, and resources. All of these initiatives will promote the resiliency of Lacombe and area and the businesses, community groups, and entrepreneurs that call it home. Many of our local businesses are reopening with appropriate physical distancing measures and strict disinfection and hygiene protocols. Some offer curbside pickup, takeout, and delivery options, while others, the focus is on building new locations. As you've seen around our community, construction is full steam ahead in Lacombe. Here we are in the Lionel's No Frills parking lot with one great example. Right here under construction, with the steel superstructure pretty much done, is our new Shoppers Drug Mart. Here's another good example of tradesmen working through the COVID crisis and putting together a worthwhile project. A welcome addition to our community is the Blue Collar Garage, and I believe that it will be opening later on this summer. Here we are on the north end of the city. You see behind me is the Caris Village Seniors Complex, which is due to open up later on in the year. Another fine example of construction continuing in Lacombe, here in the Henners area. Beautiful looking project. So as you can see, a few youngsters out here enjoying the Len Thompson Pond. I would encourage everyone to observe your proper health protocols and physical distancing, and feel free to use Lacombe's wonderful outdoor facilities. And here's another good example of a great addition to Lacombe's historic downtown area, a duplex unit. As you can see by the sign there, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. Fine looking unit, and they're just putting on the finishing touches here. So whether it's industrial, residential, seniors housing, commercial developments, or the great outdoors, Lacombe's got it all. Not unlike the province, here at the City of Lacombe, we're making plans to reopen as well. I'm pleased to say that City Hall and the Public Works Building will reopen to the public effective May 19th, 2020. I'm pleased to say that we've started to recall some of our staff that was laid off, and we do hope to have everyone back working by early June. All the required precautionary measures will be in place, including limiting numbers of people attending buildings to ensure we can observe physical distancing guidelines. Based on the province's relaunch strategy, normal operations at our recreation facilities will be considered in phase 3 of the overall plan. These will include the Garrymo Auto Group Sportsplex, the Lacombe Memorial Centre, and the Kinsman Aquatic Centre. While no timeline has been provided for either phase 2 or for phase 3 of the plan, as you can well imagine, subsequent relaunch phases will be dependent upon containment of the virus. So please keep doing your part. We have to remain flexible with public health and safety as the #1 priority. As this relaunch progresses, I will continue to keep you informed. And I know that we've all been impacted by this global pandemic. Some have been hit a little harder than others. The financial and mental health tolls caused by this pandemic can be overwhelming. Please know that help is available. Please contact Lacombe and District FCSS at 403-782-6637 for assistance, and their capable staff will put you in touch with all the right resources. In closing, I encourage everyone to continue your diligence in adhering to the guidelines for physical distancing and good hygiene practices. Let's remember to respect and support each other during this extraordinary time. Thank you once again, and keep up the great work, Lacombe.